Dalglish and Jarvie started out as a copyright case regarding a particular pattern of calico. An employee of Dalglish was said to have invented a new pattern, which they then registered to obtain copyright protection. They then learned that Jarvie was selling calico with the same pattern. Dalglish went off to the court to seek an ex parte injunction to stop them from selling the calico, and also to claim any profits that they'd made from the pattern. This needs some breaking down. What's an ex parte injunction? The first bit, ex parte, is Latin for without the party. So an ex parte application is an application that one party makes without letting the other side know, so they're not here to defend themselves. This is sometimes done where an order needs to be sought really urgently. The second bit, an injunction, is an order by the court either to do something specific or not to do something specific. In this case, Dalglish went to court for an urgent order requiring Jarvie to stop selling the calico. They made that application ex parte and the application was granted. Jarvie, as you can imagine, were none too impressed when the order was served on them. They went straight back to court seeking to have the injunction lifted. They argued that before Dalglish had registered the pattern, they had shown the pattern at an industry event, and that in those circumstances it was very normal for cloth producers to essentially copy one another's work. When Dalglish made their initial application, they hadn't provided this information to the court. Baron Rolfe considered this to be a major issue. He said, "The application for a special injunction is very much governed by the same principles which govern insurances, matters which are said to require the utmost degree of good faith, uberame fides. If the party applying for a special injunction abstains from stating facts which the court thinks are most material to enable it to form its judgment, he disentitles himself to that relief which he asks the court to grant." That rule remains in place to this day as a rule of professional conduct for legal practitioners in Australia. When making an ex parte application, it is necessary to give the court all the material facts, those in your favour and those against you, so the court can make a fair judgment.